So, TryCure GrowMax is basically marketed as a daily gummy for kids and teens, with ingredients intended to support bone health, calcium absorption, and healthy development. The website currently lists it at $39.99 and promotes a 90-day money-back guarantee, but there are a few things I'd look at before buying. The biggest issue is the distinction between supporting normal nutrition and actually making a child taller. TryCure itself admits that genetics is the biggest influence on final height and that no supplement can promise a specific number of inches. I'd also be cautious with the impressive testimonials claiming children grew significantly after taking the gummies. The company says these are individual experiences, not verified health claims, and natural growth spurts make it difficult to determine whether a supplement actually caused the change. So, is TryCure GrowMax worth buying? I wouldn't treat it as a proven height-increasing supplement. If you're genuinely concerned about a child's growth, understanding their growth pattern and discussing it with a pediatrician is much more useful than relying on marketing claims. Overall, GrowMax may provide nutritional ingredients, but that's very different from proving that it will make a child taller. Do your research before buying and don't let growth-related marketing pressure you into a decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.